Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can silence or manage low oxygen warnings in a base Roblox. So if you think the low oxygen alarm drive you crazy while you're trying to explore the deep, it's a helpful warning, but sometimes you just need some peace and quiet to focus on the hunt. And in today's video, I'm going to show you the settings and gear to manage those annoying alerts. So what you need to do, just go to the Abyss settings, just click on the gear icon in here, and under the preferences section, you can just scroll down and there will be this option, low oxygen warning. So what you need to do to silence or make it disappear, you can just toggle it off until it turns red like this. So whenever you have low oxygens, the warning will not be appear. And that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks.